We'll guide you through how to fix a USB Wi-Fi adapter not working in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be really annoying. So you may find when you go and click on the internet button in the bottom right, that you just don't go and see an option for Wi-Fi, or you may do, but you can't find any networks, or there's another reason why it's not working. The methods in this video are going to be broad, so make sure you watch them all, as hopefully one of them will solve your problem. To get started, click on the search at the bottom, and what you want to do is go and type in Device Manager, like so. In here, you want to go and find network adapters and press the arrow to the left to expand it. Come down the list and find your USB adapter, here it is. Right click on it and make sure that it's enabled. If it already is, it'll go and say disable. I've now gone and enabled it, and when I click on the internet button in the bottom right, you can see I've got Wi-Fi. However, if that doesn't work for you, right click on the adapter and you can press update driver, do an automatic search. It will then go and download and install the latest drivers it can find. However, depending upon your adapter, you may be able to go and get drivers from the manufacturer's website, so you can try doing that. However, if that still doesn't work and the Wi-Fi is not showing up, you want to press the Windows button at the bottom, the Start button, and then press Settings. You can come over to the left and press Network and Internet, and you want to go and scroll to the bottom and press Advanced Network Settings. Come down to More Settings and find the option Network Reset. What we can do is go and reinstall all network adapters and it will set them back to default. So what you can do is come over to the right and press Reset now. Doing this will mean our computer will need to go and restart, and hopefully doing that will solve the problem.